Hello students, this is Kashyap tutorials and myself Prabhakr sir. Students, now we are going to see here taste under one important chapter which will come for translation. The chapter name is Sanskrit Natya Stavagam. This chapter is called Sanskrit Natya Stavagam, that means a bunch of extract from the place. A bunch of extract from the place. And from this part, we're going to see just first chapter, first story, which is called Prathamam Pushpam, that is in the form of dialogue. So see how to prepare translation. If we'll see each and every sentences and after each sentence we'll see translation, then it become easy to prepare. So I'll read out Sanskrit sentences along with translation. Then the sentence begin with bracket word, that is ततः प्रविशति वैखानसः अन्यो तापसौ च, means thereafter enter residents of hermitage and two other ascetics. Vaikhanas, the first dialogue begin by Vaikhanas. Rajanam avruddhya, Rajan आश्रममृगोऽयं न हन्तव्यः न हन्तव्यः आशु प्रतिसंहर सायकम्. Obstructing the king, O king, this is hermitage deer. It is not appropriate to kill it. It shouldn't be hunted. Withhold the arrow at once. Ragyam shastram artatranaय bhavati न tu anagasi prahartum. That means king's weapon is meant for protection of distressed folk and not for assaulting, that means killing innocent beings. Once again, see, king's weapon is meant for protection of distressed folk and not for assaulting, killing innocent beings. Then Dushyant replied, Pratisanhrita esha sayaka, yathoktam karoti. Here I have withheld the arrow. He does as promised. Here I have withheld the arrow, that means Pratisanghruta Esha Sayaga. He does as he does as promised, that means Yathoktam Karoti. Then Vaikhanas says to king, as king respect his words and um, stop the hunting the deer. So Vaikhanas says, Rajan Samida Harnaya Prasthitavayam. एष खलु कण्वस्य कुलपतेः अनुमालिनीतीरम् आश्रमो दृश्यते. Means, O king, we are proceeding to fetch fuel sticks. The hermitage, being seen close by on the bank of Malini river, is of sage Kanwa, the chancellor. Once again, see, O king, we are proceeding to fetch fuel sticks. The hermitage, being seen close by on the bank of Malini river, is of sage Kanwa, the chancellor. Pravishya pratigruhyatam atitheya satkarah. So Vaikhanas is requesting the king, Pravishya pratigruhyatam atitheya satkarah. That means you may visit it and accept hospitality. Then Dushyanta, after it is done, then there is conversation between Dushyant and Suta, means charioteer. तपोवन निवासीनाम उपरोधो मा भूत अत्रैव रथम स्थापय यावत् अवतरामि. Let not the residents be disturbed. Stop the chariot here alone. I shall get down. Once again, see. Let not the residents be disturbed. Stop the chariot here alone. I shall get down. Suda. Dhrutaha pragrahaha. Avataratu Ayushman, means I have pulled the reins. may long-lived alight. Once again, I have pulled the reins, may long-lived alight means get down. Next, then Dushyant said again, Avatirya Suta Vinitaveshena Praveshtavyani Tapovani Nama Idam Tavat Gruhyatam. Once again, see, Avatirya, that is action is done. Suta Vinitaveshena Praveshtavyani Tapovanani Nama Idam Tavat Gruhyatam. Means, after alighting, means getting down from the chariot, O charioteer, to enter the hermitage, the dress should be modest. Hence, take these ornaments. So you can see how much Dushyant has respect towards Hermitage. He follows his own duties, but also at the same time he also respect the residents or the subjects' uh, words and their rights. So Dushyant said next, iti sutasya dhanushcho cha upaniya. Means iti sutasya abharnani dhanushcha upaniya. सूत यावत् आश्रमवासिनः दृष्ट्वा अहम् अपावर्ते तावत् आर्द्रपृष्ठाः क्रियतां वाजिनः. Means, thus, after handing the ornaments and bow to the charioteer, says, Charioteer, I shall return after meeting the residents of Hermitage. Till then, let the horses have their backs washed. That means have a refreshing wash. Once again, see. Thus, after handing the ornaments and bow to the charioteer, says, Charioteer, I shall return after meeting the residents of Hermitage. Till then, let the horses have their back washed. Means have a refreshing wash. Suta, Tatha, iti Nishkranta. Tatha means as you ordered, king. So he exits. Once again, as you ordered, king. So he exits. So these are the translation of this chapter, and I hope it will help you to prepare translation uh, line wise, and you will be comfortable to prepare translation in this way. So if you like this translation in this way or any changes you require, you can put the message and wait for the next video. Thank you.